Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 430D convertible M Sport here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting of course with the outside, where you will see the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. The vehicle itself is a 2018 reg, so therefore it is a facelift model. So as you can see by the facelift front lights, we have fitted the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills and the 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres onto this 430D convertible. Down the side we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin vinyls and then performance decals. It has the gloss black air breather option. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather, which is heated in the front, as well as being the electric and driver function memory on the driver's side. We have the M Sport stitching and M Sport logoing on the seats. We have the option Glacier Silver interior trim on the door cards and the dash display and centre console. In the rear, it's all nice and clean and tidy, and of course there is ISOFIX ready. Moving round to the rear, where we have the satin rear boot spoiler and gloss black rear diffuser. Normally on the convertible 4 series we do not go for the option spoiler, thanks to the rarity of getting hold of them. However, we've put one onto this one as it looks really good. So a nice bit of rarity to add to that. This one is a M4 style rear spoiler. This is a nice great add-on. Another benefit feature of the facelift will be the rear tail lights. They're now a full LED unit, as well as being all red. And I'll give you a little close-up on the gloss black rear diffuser, which is all done in-house. And a nice close-up on the 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are my absolute favourite wheel that we do here at Your Next Car. Okay, so moving on inside the vehicle, there's the memory function on the driver's seat. We have the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, and this vehicle benefits from having the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. Heated seats, of course. We also have the superb BMW professional navigation and media. It has the latest facelifted iDrive as well, so a few more functions built within that, such as in the connected drive you have now online search features, communication for media and calls, of course, DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The vehicle itself has covered just over 53,000, and it has got the 2 recorded services that it should have from BMW. To bring up to the service history, as you can see, everything is in the green, and there are the 2 recorded services from BMW. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the video of the 430D convertible here. Thank you very much for watching. We of course hope you found the video useful, and we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you and goodbye.